Field Service Management, or FSM, is a system for the organization and optimization of operations that are performed outside the office by field personnel that have a mission to complete for customers. Field employees usually are technicians, engineers, or other experts. Our team offers deep expertise to our customers as Praxedo is specialized software focused on FSM that has been delivering constant innovation since 2005. Common examples of field service includes installation, repair and maintenance, technical customer support, regular inspections, and so on. Service orders mostly occur multiple times per day and are assigned and scheduled by a coordinator, a supervisor, or a dispatcher. Typical industries that have field service are telecommunications, utilities, oil and gas, manufacturing, construction, property management, etc. We're currently looking at the homepage of Praxedo, which is the schedule of your team at a glance. Between the configurable dashboards and the interactive schedule, this page provides real-time updates based on what your team is doing in the field, with the ability to make scheduling changes right here in the calendar. While Praxedo will be the source of truth when it comes to field service management, we will first start in Microsoft Business Central. This is where one would create a service order, which will ultimately correspond to a service order in Praxedo. You'll start by assigning it a number, then adding in a description. Then choose the customer. You'll specify that this work order is to be dispatched to the field team by toggling on the Praxedo button. By adding lines with the customer's service items, it will create a corresponding work order per service item in Praxedo, specifically maintenance based on the work order type I've chosen here. Each one of these work orders will be linked together by the service order in Praxedo. Finally, I'll add in the service order type and send this information to Praxedo. This is what it looks like in Praxedo. We have two types of service orders, projects and routes. Projects are beneficial for scheduling separate tasks potentially needing to be performed at different times. A route service order is best used in cases where one needs to perform work on several service items or assets in Praxedo and maintain the granularity of history per asset. Think of performing monthly maintenance on a laundry facility where you need to do a checklist per machine. With both types, you can view each linked work order individually. Notice how it pulls in the synchronized customer, location, and service item information. Now, we're ready to schedule. So what does this look like from a text point of view? In the mobile app, they'll see work orders that have been assigned to them by synchronizing their phone. Once the full work order report has been populated and validated, the tech can then complete the work order itself by clicking the blue check mark in the top right-hand corner. This will send all the information back to the web for review and gray out the work order on the mobile app. On the web, as the work orders are completed, one will be able to review the collected data by the field team. This includes all their activities and their durations, as well as the full report, including checklists, notes, pictures, signatures, GPS coordinates, and more. One will even be able to review the list of consumed items for the work order. All of this is editable by a supervisor or a user that has the correct permissions to do so. Once edited, they can validate the individual work orders. Or, as all the linked work orders are completed, one can complete and validate the project service order, which will update Business Central accordingly. Here, you'll be able to see the status of the service order, as well as the unique URL to the PDF summarizing all the work completed on the linked work orders. Each service line can be further expanded to review the consumables per service item, which can update the inventory level per location based on where it was consumed from. With this comprehensive connector, one can use the data in BC and the tools of Praxedo to more efficiently run their organization.